Hi friends. Today I'm just going to talk to you the subject of teaching, the art of teaching. Normally in Indian customs we celebrate September 5th as the Teachers' Day. Why is it? Do we all know? Yes. It's a coincidence of our erstwhile president Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who has been an eminent teacher, a good academician, and he has lived his life with what he has professed. That's the reason we celebrate 5th in correlation with his birthday. He has been a loyal, eminent, studious, industrious person who lived, and he has been exemplified by his character, by his attitude. That's the reason we celebrate his birthday along with the Teachers' Day. Now let's come to the art of teaching. What is teaching all about? It is not simply studying. It's not making your children to be good students, to be studious. The moment a child comes home, he immediately thinks about his homework and what to do for the next day. Otherwise, if I don't go with all preparedness, I'll be a failure in the class. When he starts the notebook, the parents also start telling them, come on, you have to get first. You'll have to get first in science. You have to get first in mathematics. If you need tuition, we will assist you. What I want you, just study and see that you get first in the class. Every parent has only this idea. They have attached the goodness of the students with the goodness of their curriculum. Only the education, only the books. They don't allow their children to ventilate their feelings. They have been imposed. They have been influenced to study and study alone. And the moment they ask about their friendship also, they will ask, is he a good student? Does he come from a good family? What is this good attached? The goodness they attach to the studies. They don't attach this goodness to the values what they have to inherit. This is what all the teachers also, they are all workaholic. They are routine minded. They want to make their children know what's there in the books. They want them to reproduce what they have explained to them. This is what is happening in our curriculum. Are our teachers are conscious about what they are doing? Or the schools or the principal? Every principal accounts for them the moment the academic year starts. They want their ranking to be never relegated. They want to be always first. They want only 100%ers in the class. That's the way they demonstrate to their teachers, and the teachers have been asked to do. Has any one teacher has gone beyond books and taught the students how to live this life? I don't think so. In today's life is very routine and monotonous. Everyone is joining the race and everyone wants to beat the other person in the rankings. They don't attach values in life at all. In our years, when we were studying, we had a class called Moral Sciences. When we had been taught about the previous people, the people who have been in the epic, the people who have risen by their own individual talents, by acclaiming to that level, what are their ways and means, how they have operated, what are that they have been taught, how they have come up in life. In Ramayana, in Mahabharata, in so many epics, about 3000 years back, people like Thiruvalluvar in Tamil has written about 1330 verses of this Kural couplets. Nobody would have imagined. If you see in that 1330 couplets, you can see the whole life of it, the whole experience, how he has touched every aspect from head to foot in our life. What has not happened in our life, it is there. That shows his experience, his eminence, his literacy. If you see a Tirukural, if you read that, you will know everything in life. Right from teaching about the thinking of God and ending with a couplet of saying about life and what its completeness. Everything was taught. In those days, we have been asked to recite those Tirukurals. There is no moral sciences, no educative classes available today. Every time, every hour, all the time they have to study, and keep the records tight and screwed. The child, when he comes home also, the parents also wants to know about their experience about getting taught in the schools. They don't ask anything else. What was the class? How much you have scored? What is the next class? When will be the next exam? When will be the training tuition? All these things only. Nothing beyond books. Even the parents have time to teach them. It's very bad. That's the reason we are spoiling our children. Sit with your children. Don't talk to them about their studies, study materials, homework. Sit calmly and make them know what is the value in life. You have also studied so many things. Teach one by one to them. A moral a day will make them know, at least it may be very difficult in the startup. They may not like it, but infuse them slowly like a medicine. It will react. One day it will go into the brain and it will start activating in them. They will also start thinking, oh, yes, there are somebody. It is not only the education. What is the values you attribute to your children, that carries a lot of things. It's not goodness in studies, goodness in what he possesses, the potential values of life. You should know how to love, how to share love, how to get love from others. You should experience those things. Then only he will be able to perform and demonstrate in life. Teaching is not simple. All the teachers should know how to read beyond books. They should slowly infringe in the hearts of the students that I am not a teacher, I am here to guide you. I am an assistant. I am here to help you out when you need me. I am here to inculcate some very good things. What has happened in life? This is all what is about teaching. Thank you very much for your patient hearing. We'll meet another time. Have a great day.